So for the color I'm going to use this Silver Castle pencil color and some oil pastel. So it's super easy to color. So first of all, let's go with his hair. And where is my black color? There it is. It's my black color. Let's draw here like this. It's his hair. Draw something like this. Okay. I'm going to let his teeth is white and his some orange color belly like this. Okay, and his entire body will be this color. So let's just draw it like this. And one thing, my English is not good as you guys, so if you don't go to my English, I'll be very happy. I'll be very happy. Let's focus on this, on the coloring. Okay. And this is sky blue. No, not sky blue. It's also greenish color eyes like this. Okay. And now for the oil, for this color for his entire body like this. First of all, let's go draw like some straight line. Oh, I messed up here, as you can see. It's my mistake. And his tail like this. Again, something like this. Draw it like this. Okay. Just randomly color that like this, because this black outline area is making it's like 50% work done. Okay, so it's almost done. It's kind of done. It's look like some dome. And here's the rock. So it's rock should be this color. If you want, you can use another color. If you want, it's all up to you. It's not mine. Just draw it, okay? Like this here. And the blue color of some ocean water. Something here, okay? Let's draw it like this. Okay, that's almost done. Okay, so this is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something new. So thank you and see you in the next video.